Due to the increased police presence at the original Hanoi train street, there's been another area that's popped up on the other side of Hanoi train station. So we've followed the train line, deviated around the train station, and come to this new little area where there's cafes on the rails.
Hello, hello. We're in Train Street in Hanoi and literally sitting on the train tracks, waiting for the train to come, which is in about an hour. So we'll check back then.
The chairs are very little.
Yeah, going to be close.
Yeah.
Like crazy close. Hello.
It's really quite amazing.